This is me, and for all you who don't know, I am an absolute god at tennis. You might be wondering, where did all of the pro tennis players learn their skills? Well, they learned them from me. Okay. I have to come out about it. I was lying about the whole thing. I am not good at tennis at all. In fact, I am very bad at tennis. One idea that came to my head was practicing, but that was just too much work, and I really didn't want to do that. Another idea was bribery. So, I put my skills to the test.
Freak, are you kidding me?
Okay, so I just finished printing out the entire racket, and the next thing I'm going to do is assemble it and put the strings in.
Freak, are you kidding me? Freak, are you kidding me?
Okay, so in the end, the trophy turned out really well, and the tennis racket didn't break or anything like that. So I'm really glad it happened to that. But I damaged my printer pretty severely. It won't go up vertically now, and it's sort of like grinded the thing where the filament comes out into the board. So that's not good, and I'm gonna get that fixed. I don't think there's gonna be a 3D printing video coming up soon, so it's probably be something outside go-kartish related.
Loading application data. Initiating program. Starting program sequence.
Subscribe.